Hello guys, welcome for another video. Today, I made a Lego lizard thingy. Yeah, it's supposed to be a fat lizard, or it's not that fat. And it's pretty cool. This lizard's combination is dark gray and light gray. I mean normal gray. Yeah, I like this lizard thingy. Yeah, my favorite way to pose it is like this. It's like it's sitting. That's my favorite way to pose it. And you can pose it like this, or like this, or just make it sleep. That's 3 ways to pose this guy. I hope you like this video, and I hope you like and subscribe. So bye guys, see you for the next video.